how to send video on Google Drive in Android. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you send video on Google Drive on your Android phone. So let's get started. So on this process, firstly you will have to open the Google Drive on your phone. So simply open the Google Drive, and now from here you will have to upload that video whom you want to send it on Android. So I have uploaded this random video on my Google Drive. So to upload it, you will have to go with the options plus, so it will appear on the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply you have to tap on it, and now easily from here you will got options upload. So simply from there you can upload a video. So after you upload a video on your Google Drive, you will be able to set it on your Android phone. So simply for that, you will have to go the option three dot. It will appear at the right of that video. So simply tap on that three dot, and now from here you will be able to share this video to your friends on Android. So for that, firstly you will have to manage the access of that video. So simply tap on this manage access, and now from here you will have to set the general access settings on this video. So simply tap on this general access, and now from here you'll have to go with the options restricted, and you have to set it like with anyone with the link. Alright, so after you've done the specific setting on this general access, you will have to copy the link of this video. So simply back from here, and now from here again tap on this three dots, and from here you can copy the link. So simply tap on this copy link, and the link has been copied to my clipboard, and now I can share the link to any platform or any media to share this video through a link on my Google Drive. So this is the easiest and simplest method to send a video on Google Drive on your Android phone. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.